Hey guys, today we're talking about how to create a content calendar for social media. This is a must have for any business that wants to stay organized and consistent on their social channels. Why is a content calendar so important? Because it helps you plan ahead and avoid last minute scrambling, create a mix of content that your audience will love, stay on top of social media trends and holidays, and track your progress and see what's working well. So, how do you create a content calendar? Here are a few tips. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your social media presence? Do you want to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales? Once you know your goals, you can start to create content that will help you achieve them. And next is understand your audience. Who are you trying to reach with your social media content? What are their needs? What are their interests? What problems can you help them solve? The better you understand your audience, the better equipped you'll be to create content that they'll care about. Brainstorm your content ideas. What kind of content would be most valuable and interesting to your followers? Think about blog posts, infographics, videos, and other types of content that you can share. Next is create a posting schedule. Decide how often you want to post on each social media platform, but don't feel like you have to post every day. Aim for a posting schedule that you can stick to and that works for your audience. Lastly, use tools and templates. There are a number of tools and templates available to help you create and manage your social media content calendar. These tools can save you a lot of time and make the process much easier. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create an effective content calendar for social media. See you in my next video.